All right, so you have drawn your leaf design. Remember, you're going to want at least 3 different leaf designs using the pencil tool, and then that gives you the ability to click on your selection tool, and then you can select lines. So see how this one is selected. We've got like kind of a little blue path around, and I can actually change the thickness of that line. Another key thing that you're going to want to do is change the uniform. That's why we want to use the pencil tool. But I can choose a different uniform. It kind of gives it a little bit more of like a hand-drawn look. And then so maybe the outer line might be thicker than everything else. And then we would have our sections on the inside that are separating our little spots for our patterns. Maybe those would be the next thickest. And then you're just going to kind of select your lines and then kind of change the thickness and then change the uniform. That way you can kind of vary up that line a little bit, and that will give it more of an appealing look than maybe what it looks like when you initially draw it, because then you don't have those the ends of each line isn't just flat. It's kind of got a little bit more of a nice flowing look to it. So you're going to do that for all your lines. You want to do that for at least 3 different leaf designs, and then you'll kind of move on to drawing the tree. And then we're going to put these leaves together, and then we'll create some sort of line artwork design, and then we'll take the whole thing and move it over to Photoshop. When you are finished with all of your line work on your leaves, or on one leaf, you can go up here to select, and then all, and then we can go to object, and then group. So now if you just select one line, it'll select the whole thing, making it much easier to drag this into your other canvas. So when you are ready to drag that in, you are going to click on it, do not let go, and then drag that over to your other canvas. And then do not let go until you're over the other canvas, and then it should drop in there for you.